What's up, guys? It's Davey. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get started with another Mega Construx video. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this one. Look at his little face. How adorable. Ooh, and there you have Machop, you guys. As you saw, I struggled quite a bit on this guy. I have no idea why I messed up so much, but no, he's really cool. Lots of moving parts on him, so you can kind of pose him any way you want. But there he is, Mr. Machop. Very, very cute. Very detailed for the most part, so that is awesome. Alright, you guys, let me know if you like these style of videos, and then because I do enjoy making them. I like the time lapse. It's a little bit shorter for you to watch, but again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and see you guys later.